Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a quick look at the range of Jetboil stoves we keep here at Taunton Leisure. So here at Taunton Leisure we keep 4 of Jetboil's amazing stoves, hopefully one of which will suit you. We carry the Flash, the Minimo, the Minimo and the Stash. Each of these stoves are slightly different and have different purposes and usages, and hopefully we're going to look at those today and help you decide which one is the right one for you. The first stove we're going to be looking at is the Minimo. The Minimo was designed with backpackers in mind and has a small, compact size perfect for putting into your rucksack. The Minimo has a number of great features that it borrows from its other predecessors like the Flash, like the pot which is insulated, as well as having a heat exchange base to it. The Minimo also has the advantage of a regulator. This isn't something we've seen on many Jetboils before, but allows the user to simmer their food or fully boil it. It gives the user a bit more control over the output of the stove, meaning you can control the temperature and also the time it takes to cook things. This allows you to simmer stuff, which means that food can be cooked directly in the pot with this Jetboil, as well as having it put up to full blast, which allows you to boil water efficiently and quickly with a 2-minute boil time. Included with the Minimo is a pot stand. This isn't something that we normally see with Jetboils, and it can be bought separately for other models. This one is included, and it's a fantastic tool for allowing you to put different pots on top of your Minimo. So you have obviously the pot that comes with it, which is a click system which fastens to the Jetboil itself, and if you pick that up, the whole stove will come with it. Or you can remove this, pop it to one side, put on a pot stand, and it allows you to put any other pot you want on it, which allows for something like a saucepan or a frying pan if you want to mix it up a little bit. The next stove we're going to be looking at is the Jetboil Stash. The Jetboil Stash is Jetboil's lightest and most compact stove system they've ever made, but still packs all the performance you look for from a Jetboil. The Stash is an adaptable, lightweight system. It comes with a Jetboil pot, which is a heat exchange pot, which keeps up with efficiency. However, because of its 3-prong legs and non-clicking attachment, it means you can swap this out for any sort of pot or pan system you like, making this a very versatile stove, even for its weight. What's nice is it all folds down and does still pack back into its stove box, which is a feature that many love about the Jetboil systems. Here we have the Jetboil Flash, probably one of Jetboil's most iconic stoves and the one most people are familiar with. It's tried and tested, reliable, simple to use, and pretty much foolproof. This thing works every single time and is perfect for boiling water or cooking boil in the bags. It has a 100-second boil time, which is the quickest out of any of Jetboil's stoves, is reliable and quick to use, and also it's fantastic for anyone looking for a compact stove solution. The Jetboil Flash takes advantage of Jetboil's iconic pot, the heat exchange base and the insulated upper that we spoke about earlier. What's great about the Jetboil Flash is because of the shape and size of this stove, everything you need fits snugly inside the pot itself. That includes a small gas canister as well. On the outside sleeve of the insulated mug is a flame. When this turns orange, it's a good sign that your water is fully boiled and ready for you to either pour into your dry meal or it's time to put your wet meal inside the stove. And last but not least, we have the Minimo. The Minimo is a compact, lightweight solution from Jetboil that weighs less than a deck of cards. This is a standalone stove that would go on top of your gas canister and can be matched with any number of pots or pans. The great thing about the Minimo is that 3-prong system that sits on top of the stove, allowing you to put any pot or pan you fancy on there. This could be anything from a standard pot or pan that you can get from your local outdoor shop to Jetboil's specialist skillet. This stove also features a regulator, like we spoke about earlier, which allows you to cook food straight onto the stove rather than just boiling water. Thanks to this regulator, you can cook any number of food options on top of this stove and have precise control over the amount of heat outputted from the stove. This allows you to simmer food or whack it up to full throttle and boil water in a quick, efficient time. This stove is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, lightweight solution that will match with any pan they fancy. It's versatile, lightweight, and can be used in any situation. That was a really quick look over the Jetboil selection we have here at Taunton Leisure. If you've got any questions, feel free to head over to our website or pop into store where a member of staff will be happy to help. You can also leave your questions down in the comment section below and we will also answer them there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us and we will catch you next time. Thank you.